Hi friends, I hope you are fine. Today I have 50 shadow overlay. These files are in PNG. You can use easily in mobiles or laptop, Photoshop, etc. if you want, or if you used any program. So first I show you this shadow are window, date, okay. So first I drag shadow in Photoshop. For example, this file drag to Photoshop and open any other photo. For adjust, I adjust this on this photos. So simply drag on this photo. I close this file and you see here. Okay, and for more setting you click here on normal. Here is darken, multiplayer, color, burn, lightning, screen, overlay, soft light, highlight. So we select on overlay. So you can see simple photo and after a shadow. Wow, you can more changed. So I change our heart light, lightning. Ho, overlay is better. Okay, I close this file and open other files. For example, this file drag to Photoshop and open another photo. For this, drag photo and adjust. Select on here and select on color burn or hard light or vivid light, liner light. So here is better, I think. So I close this file and close this file. So, for example, open in Photoshop, flip and drag, then you click overlay. Wow, you can adjust easily and very simple. This overlay is window shadow. So I first show you. And select overlay. Wow. And my last file is this or this. Drag to Photoshop and I close this photo. Open any other photo. Example, this. Drag on this photo. Right click on overlay. This photo is already dark. So you can see. I hope this data is useful for you. Kindly subscribe my channel. Take care. Allah Hafiz.